Imagine a world ruled by giants, creatures so colossal and magnificent that they seemed invincible. For millions of years, dinosaurs dominated the Earth. They left their mark across continents, jungles, and ancient seas. These massive creatures were the undisputed rulers, from the towering Brachiosaurus to the fierce Tyrannosaurus Rex. But then, as if in the blink of an eye, they vanished, gone, never to return. What could have caused such a sudden downfall of these mighty rulers? It remains one of the greatest mysteries in Earth's history. I'm Yusuf Mark, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover this incredible mystery, what truly happened to the dinosaurs. There are many theories about their extinction, but today we're focusing on one catastrophic event that changed life on Earth forever. This isn't just a story, this is real history. Around 66 million years ago, a colossal asteroid measuring roughly 10 kilometers in diameter collided with Earth. Imagine the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, a serene tropical paradise today, but back then it was ground zero for one of the most destructive impacts in planetary history. The asteroid hit with a force that was 1 billion times more powerful than an atomic bomb. Imagine it, a massive explosion that would have been visible from space, triggering tsunamis as high as mountains and shockwaves that circled the globe. In an instant, life on Earth changed forever. But that catastrophic impact was only the beginning. The explosion launched billions of tons of dust and debris into the atmosphere, effectively blocking out sunlight. Imagine Earth plunged into near-total darkness, an entire planet shrouded in shadows, where the warmth of the sun could no longer reach the surface. Temperatures dropped dramatically, creating what scientists call an impact winter that lasted months, possibly even years. With no sunlight, plants could no longer grow, leading to a collapse in the food chain. Herbivorous dinosaurs, which depended on plants, began to die off, and with them, the carnivores that preyed on them. But could anything survive such a brutal chain reaction? Some scientists think there was more at play. While the asteroid impact was devastating, another event may have added to this perfect storm. Massive volcanic eruptions in the Deccan Traps in what is now India. Imagine towering lava flows and constant eruptions, releasing massive amounts of gases into the atmosphere even before the asteroid struck. These eruptions likely changed the climate, weakening Earth's ecosystems. By the time the asteroid impact occurred, life on Earth may have already been struggling to adapt to these volcanic disturbances. Together, the asteroid and the volcanic eruptions created conditions so extreme that survival became nearly impossible for most species. Yet, not all life perished. Somehow, tiny mammals, our distant ancestors, managed to survive. Imagine these small creatures hiding away, scavenging for what little food they could find. In a world filled with giants, it was their size and adaptability that allowed them to endure when the dinosaurs couldn't. It's a testament to the resilience of life, a reminder that even in the most hostile environments, survival finds a way. And here's something even more astonishing. The birds we see around us today are living relatives of the dinosaurs. Yes, those small, delicate creatures are direct descendants of the giants that once ruled the Earth. Isn't it remarkable? The sparrow perched on a branch, the hawk soaring through the sky, they carry within them the legacy of those massive, fearsome creatures. The age of the dinosaurs didn't truly end. In a way, it lives on in every bird that flies today. So, what can we learn from the extinction of the dinosaurs? It's more than a story of destruction. It's a powerful reminder of life's unpredictability. Dinosaurs were at the top of the food chain, rulers of their world, and yet in a moment, nature found a way to change the course of history. Their extinction teaches us that no matter how dominant a species may seem, survival is never guaranteed. As we face our own environmental challenges today, the story of the dinosaurs serves as a sobering reminder of our planet's fragility. It urges us to cherish and protect the Earth and its ecosystems before it's too late. I'm Yusuf Mark, and this is my channel. Thank you for joining me on this emotional journey through the mysteries of our planet's past. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, every story, even the story of the dinosaurs, holds valuable lessons for our future.